Now I also have made a tkinter version, or a graphical version, of tic-tac-toe. So remember, we made tic-tac-toe game before. So we made a graphical version, or I did, where we use tkinter, we set the window. Remember, we have a playing field that we draw. We draw that here. And then we just have the game logic, where if you click a button, it changes the state. And once you win a game, it shows a message box about the winner. So basically it's exactly the same, just a graphical version. Now, one thing to know is that we're using buttons, and those buttons are added to a button array. And when a button is clicked, we call the function button click. Now, button click is this function with the parameter x, which is the button number clicked, and then we just do we set the X or the O character, and we check if the game has finished. So you can play around with this code yourself. It's just the same graphical version of the terminal tic-tac-toe game. And everything is the same besides the buttons.